What if I told you that the smarter you are, the worse trader you become? I know that sounds completely backwards, but behavioral finance research proves it is true. And in the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you exactly why and what to do instead. The most consistent losers I see in trading are not beginners who know nothing. They are doctors, engineers, analysts, people who are genuinely brilliant at everything except controlling their behavior in the market. And the reason is not lack of knowledge. It is too much of it. Here are the 4 specific ways intelligence makes you a worse trader. Number 1, overconfidence. Smart people trust their own analysis more. So when the trade goes against them, instead of accepting the stop loss, they use their intelligence to build a case for why they are still right. They hold the loser. They add to it. And they watch a 1% loss become a 10% loss because their brain was too smart to admit it was wrong. Number 2, the complexity trap. Smart traders believe that more indicators mean more edge. So they add RSI and MACD and Bollinger Bands and Fibonacci and volume and order flow until their chart looks like a cockpit, and they still cannot make a decision. Number 3, analysis paralysis. Smart traders overthink every entry.
There is a concept in psychology called the Dunning-Kruger effect. It says that people with limited knowledge often overestimate their competence. But here is what most people miss. It also says that people with high knowledge often develop a different problem. They believe their understanding of why something should happen overrides the evidence of what is actually happening. In trading, this shows up as the smart trader arguing with the chart. The chart says the trade is wrong. The smart trader says, but my analysis says it should go up. The chart does not care about your analysis. The chart only shows what is actually happening. So what separates the traders who make money from the traders who are brilliant but always losing? The profitable traders are not the ones who know the most. They are the ones who have reduced their trading to the smallest number of rules possible and follow them without exception. Simplicity beats complexity every single time in trading. Not because simple is better, but because simple is followable and complex is not.
Let me show you 2 traders. Same market, same week. Trader 1, Alex. Alex has a finance degree. He reads research papers. He backtests every setup exhaustively. He uses 8 indicators and his own proprietary confluence system. Monday, His analysis says buy. The market sells off. Alex says, my analysis is correct. This is just a fake move. He holds. Tuesday, market drops further. Alex adds to the position because his analysis is even more convincing now. By Friday, Alex has lost 22% of his account. Not because his analysis was wrong, because he trusted his intelligence more than the price action in front of him.
Trader 2. James. James does not have a finance degree. He has 3 rules. 1. Only trade in the direction of the daily trend. 2. Stop loss always placed before entry. 3. Maximum 1 trade per day. Same Monday market drop that destroyed Alex? James sees his daily trend rule is violated. He takes 0 trades Monday. Tuesday, market still falling. James takes a short with his stop above the high. Makes 2.1%. By Friday? So here is the exact framework to remove intelligence from your trading decisions and replace it with discipline. Step 1. Reduce your system to 3 rules maximum. Not 10, not 5, 3. Entry condition, stop loss rule, exit rule. Write them on a card. Put the card next to your screen. Before every trade, check all 3. If all 3 are met, you enter. If any one is not, you do not. No exceptions, no intelligence required.
Step 2. Place your stop loss before you look at profit potential. Smart traders always calculate how much they can make first. Disciplined traders always calculate how much they can lose first. This one switch from profit first thinking to risk first thinking will change your results faster than any strategy upgrade ever will. Step 3. Remove 1 indicator from your chart every week for the next 4 weeks. Every indicator you remove forces you to trust price action more and trust your rules more and trust your intelligence less. By week 4, your chart will be cleaner. Your decisions will be faster. And your results will be better. I want to leave you with this. The market does not reward the most intelligent person. It rewards the most disciplined one. Your intelligence is an asset in almost every area of your life. But in trading, it needs to be managed the same way you manage your risk. Be a robot, not a genius. Follow your rules, not your reasoning. Drop a comment below